I know how ridiculous the title itself sounds and how stupid of a situation it may be, but honestly speaking, I was in this situation, this problem, and it took me a while to actually figure it out. So here is how you can get a power bank in Ireland. Okay, so firstly, you probably want to go to your shops, your local shops, and look around. But unfortunately, most of these don't really have good value, and the products, the companies that make the power banks are questionable. I really love the company Anker, and I love their massive power banks that have the quick charge, that have USB input, that have nice indication of the power level. They're really good quality. But living in Ireland, it proved impossible to order from Amazon UK. I firstly tried to use Motel, which is kind of a courier service, and input my UK address for that, but they still would not ship from the UK to Northern Ireland. It would not work. Maybe I've heard that on Post Address Pal service, which is a virtual address, would work as well, but it's a 50-50. Some people online say it works, some don't. So I didn't want to risk that. Then you can also look on eBay. And if the sellers are from overseas, for instance USA, you can normally order a power bank in. However, if it's from Europe usually, they will not ship to Ireland. I do not know for the exact reasons for this, but it's a thing. So I was like, what can I do? So I knew I wanted this power bank, an Anker 26,800 milliamp hour power bank with quick charge 3.0 and nice indicator, and it charges super quickly itself. But it proved very hard to find it. So I firstly looked on Adverts Ireland. No luck. I looked on Dundeal. No luck. Then I was struggling looking from other websites like Depop and from smaller local classified ads. Still no luck. And then I stumbled upon Spock. SCHPOCK. This website is phenomenal. Absolutely love it. It basically connects you with the whole of Europe, and it's a kind of online classifieds ads website. Here you can buy and sell stuff throughout Europe. It's phenomenal. I use the app. I found this particular power bank, the one I've been looking for so long, for a ridiculous price. €25. 25. The guy was from Germany, so I had a bit of issues. He was German, I was living in Ireland. Yeah, communication was not perfect, so I used Google Translate to talk with him. Simple stuff. Then we arranged shipping. I paid, I believe, €15 for shipping. So the power bank with shipping, and yes, the power bank is practically new. It's a Christmas present that you did not want. It comes with a USB, the little case, the charger, the power bank. It cost me €40 for all of that. It's ridiculous. If I bought this new, it would be maybe €70-80 minimum. So not only did I get an imported power bank to Ireland, I also paid a bargain price for it. So yes, if you're looking for power banks, maybe some camera batteries or stuff that you cannot really get shipped to Ireland, look on the website Spock. The app is phenomenal. Consider buying from there. This is not paid advertisement, by the way. It's just an issue that I had for so long, and took me a while to figure out how to do it, and I really do love the service that Spock provides. So that's how you can do it. Till next time.